Hey everybody, today's Monday, May 11th. Hope you're having a nice day today. Um, Today's message is actually more of a request, something fun you can try. Write someone a letter. See if you can write someone a letter, mail to them, and ask them for a response. Okay, let them know how you're doing. Ask them the questions about them, what they're liking right now, maybe some stuff they don't like at the moment. But get a little conversation going on paper. See if somebody will mail you a letter back. It could be a relative or a friend. Anybody you think would be willing to write back to you. Okay. Weird but true too. Astronomers have discovered a star that is made of a 10 billion trillion carat diamond. A head of broccoli is made up of hundreds of small flower buds. So those little dots on top, those are your flower buds. A storm on Neptune was as wide as the entire Earth. That tells you how big Neptune was, huh? Just the storm there was as wide as the entire Earth. Okay, so the first extra credit question is going to go with that food. I don't know how many of you love or like even broccoli. My girls, they pinch their noses when I make them eat some. So we're going to go with if one of those pieces of broccoli had 300 little flower buds on it, how many flower buds would you have eaten if you ate 4 of those pieces of broccoli? There were 300 on each. You ate 4 of them. All right. Okay, so this week's assignment for math is to finish anything outstanding that you have not finished as far as quick quizzes, fluency checks, and the review test. If you have not done those, please finish and try to get those in this week so we can put those in the grade book. All right, and if you have finished, thank you. Great job. Keep that up. Keep it going. All right, so here you go. Our assignment is to make a bar graph or pictograph. I'm going to request that you make both. Okay, you guys, hopefully you'll have time, but try to make both of those. I think that could be really cool. I know we did that in school a couple of times where we made both. All right, so it's a review on graphing and data collection. Your assignment will be to survey people in your family or friends, or if you're allowed to call people that you know, at least 10 people. So come up with a question. And it could be, what is your favorite candy? What is your favorite TV show? What is your favorite sport? Something that you are interested in, and survey those people. Okay, and you're gonna make a bar graph. That could be vertical or horizontal. So vertical is the traditional one we usually see. The bars go up and down. Horizontal, this would be turned on the side. Okay, so it has a scale. The scale is the numbers on the side that you can count by. And this one, in the example, I counted by 2s. 0 is always on the bottom. So if there's nothing, you just leave it no bar. But 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, and I labeled it number of people. Okay, it has a title. In my case, I put favorite snacks. And I only gave 3 choices. You don't want to give too many choices because then your graph will look small. So give maybe 3, maybe 4 choices, but I would go maybe with 3 so your bars look a little bigger. Now, if you want to survey more than 10 people, great. Survey more than 10. Then your bar graph will look even better probably. Okay, and then the categories, the choices I gave people were Doritos, chocolate, and cookies. Okay, so I had 4 people for Doritos. I had, 7 people for chocolate. And so I tried to show it, and I think I maybe put it too far up. I'm going to erase a little bit of my finger there. Sorry, make it look sloppy. I'm going to show that it's right in between the 6 and 8 because I didn't write that odd number. It doesn't mean it's not there, just that on the bar, it's not gonna show up right on that perfectly made line for the 8. And then cookies 10. So how many people would I have surveyed total? I think I went over the amount, right? I went over 10 because even cookies was 10. So 10, 17 plus 4 more, 21 people I got to survey. All right, and then the pictograph. Pictograph uses pictures to represent how many. It could be anything. It could be as simple as a circle. The key, it tells you what each picture is worth. So for in the picture, in the graph, I said each circle on my graph is going to be equal to people. And the title, the name for your graph. So favorite snacks, the name, I have Doritos, chocolates, cookies. You can abbreviate too if you need to fit it better. And the number of people. So 4 people for Doritos, 2, 4, 6 plus 1, that's a half. Okay, whatever picture you use, if you have an odd number and you're using even numbers as your key, let's say I have 2, 4, 6. If I made that a whole one, that would have been 8, right? Well, I didn't have 8. I had 7 people say they like chocolates the best. So 2, 4, 6, and then a half of a circle equals 1. So 2, 4, 6 plus 1 more equals 7. Okay, and the cookies I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So both my graphs, the data matches, it looks good. Okay. Okay, second extra credit is find the area of a book in square inches and send me the area and the book name. Just out of curiosity, I like to see what you guys are reading. And then area, remember, is length times width. So one side times the other. Okay, not sides across, sides that meet in the corner. Length times width. Okay, length times width. All right. That is all for today. Feel free to send messages with pictures or email or in the Remind app, any way you choose. Okay. Okay, today's fun artifact that I found, and baseball should have been started by now, but this is a souvenir baseball that I got from a store called True Value Hardware. A lot of them are called Ace True Value. This is a souvenir ball commemorating opening day at Progressive Field, which used to be called Jacobs Field. It was April 4th, 1994. It was their first home game at that stadium. They won it in extra innings, a very exciting game. All right, have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.